Hi. This is Jeffery from DPI Technology, your HP LATEX channel host. So come back to this episode. Today, we are going to share with you about the consumable of the printer for this HP 700W LATEX series. All the production printer you cannot avoid. You will have a consumables, ink, printhead, maintenance cartridge, you have cleaning solution, you have cotton bar, same as LATEX 700W series. However, the unique and the attractive of HP LATEX product is transparency. HP is doing a very good job on the consumable product and the lifespan to show you how transparent is your ink cartridges, is your printhead, and also the maintenance cartridge, so that you can always aware and prevent and also lower down your printer breakdown time. And this video, we are going to show you what is the consumable inside HP LATEX 700W. Stay tuned. Hi. I'm Jeffrey here, your host for Mr. Pro Printer. And today, we are going to share with you the consumable for the L700W and also the printhead, the maintenance cartridge. So in L700W, you have total 9 cartridges. You have C, cyan, M, magenta, Y, yellow, K, black, LC, light cyan, LM, light magenta, white ink, optimizer, and overcoat. So for the printhead, you have total 10 printhead. So you have cyan, black printhead, you have yellow, magenta printhead, you have LC, LM printhead, you have optimizer printhead, overcoat printhead, and white printhead. Total with 10 units. And as usual, HP also for the L700, you will have maintenance cartridges for the wiping and also capping purpose. So many of you will ask, what is the difference compared with the previous 300 series with 700W and 800W? For 700W, the cartridges is 1 liter ink, no longer like last time 775 ml. It is 1 liter ink. And for the printhead itself, the speed is faster. Why? One of the reasons because the space of printing is longer. The overall capacity will be bigger. So for 300 series and 800W, 700W series latex, the printhead have different perspective. So here you can see the compare. So the overall sizes is about 10 to 15% bigger compared with the old version. And also the maintenance cartridges is also bigger, so it will use more longer and last for more longer time. So this is what the consumable in the new latex L700W and the L800W. Excited? I tell you, I'm so excited to share you about this new latex information. And I'm so confident that this printer is going to benefit in your business. Stay with me, follow my video for more information. What new of the latex. Thank you. Stay with me. So hope you will like my video, and please like, subscribe and share my channel to everyone. Please feel free to contact me or our company as below. And you can also contact our company sales, Theo, Johnson, Lai. Stay tuned for the next video.